Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this smartwatch that has earphones in them. These are Temu or AliExpress finds where you can just buy one of these pretty cheap and you have the earphones on them to make and receive calls, also to listen to music. So we're going to go through the unboxing and setting up. This is not a review, it's just the unboxing and setting up of this smartwatch. Now, if you have not subscribed yet to our channel, please do hit that subscribe button. And if you do like our videos, please do hit that like button. So let's go over it. You can get these from Temu or AliExpress. I also sell these on Facebook Marketplace and other web pages out there. If you search for smartwatch with earbuds, you will definitely find them. So let's go on with the unboxing. Looking at the box, so we've got the illustration of the watch and the earbuds right over there. Nothing on the sides, and at the back we've got a QR code, and this is to watch the operation video, and nothing else really. So let's open this up. Inside the box we've got an instruction manual, and this comes with several languages. So it does explain here how the earbuds actually work. We've got the watch right over here. So pay attention that this is not waterproof and it's not water resistant as well. We also have a charging cable that comes with the watch. And we've got the straps here as well. So the straps are made out of rubber, which is good, very durable, and nothing else inside the box. Looking at the watch itself, let's remove this protective cover. And looking at the watch itself, looks pretty good. It's got some weight to it. It's made out of plastic all round. At the back here, we've got the sensors, this to measure your heartbeats, etc. We've got the charging port right over there. We've got some screws here for maintenance. And at the front, so we've got this bezel here in black. We've got the rotating button. Right, so let's power this on. To power on, oh, it's actually powered on already. Yeah, it is powered on already. So let's have a quick look into the watch. So it's got this clock right here, and you can replace the dials or install more dials. And for you to check out the dials on this one, so you just press the button here once and then tap for about 2 seconds, and then you can choose whichever dials you want. I'm just going to turn off the flash right there so you can see better. So it's got a few dials here that you can choose from. There you go. So let me choose this one here. So for example, and this is it in terms of the dial. So you can install more dials through the application. So when you open the watch, you'll get access to the earbuds right over here. So you've got two earbuds, right and left. You just pull them up as such and then place in your ear. And looking here inside, you've got the contacts there for you to charge, and you can just nicely and neatly place the earbuds there. So I'm just going to place them back, and I'll check out the quality of these. So they have just come through the mail. Okay, so I put them back and then close. You'll get a message saying earphones into watch. And let's have a quick look here into the settings. So if you press once, you will have access to the menu. So where you got guide, you've got an option to connect, you've got data, heart rate, indoor sports, outdoor sports, music, clock, breathing, dials if you want to call a number, style, sleep, alarm clock, stopwatch, timer, take picture, select a dial, calendar, contacts, you've got a flashlight, settings, call history, period, scorer, you got a calculator, weather, language, and this is it in terms of settings. It is touchscreen, so if I'm on the main clock here and if I swipe up, it allows me to access these settings. We've got night light, for example. We've got QR code right over there, Bluetooth, you've got flashlight, and then settings, you've got the date as well. So going back here into the clock again, so if I swipe up from the top, I can see the notifications. I've got none at the moment. And then if I go back into the clock, if I swipe to the right, I've got access to Bluetooth music, the date, the month. I've got access to a few other functions. And if I swipe from the right to the left, I can see the steps, the calories, kilometers I've walked, etc. If I swipe a bit more, I'll get access to a few other functions. So I'm gonna go back here into the main menu, and I am going to pair the smartwatch to my phone. So we've got an Android phone here, and with my Android phone, I am going to enable Bluetooth. And once Bluetooth is enabled, I can then go over to the watch to pair it. I'm going to swipe up, and there is a QR code here that I can access to download the application. So I'll just scan this QR code, open it, and this will give me access to the app that will control the smartwatch. So the app is called Facelink, and I can download for Android or for iOS. In this case, I'm going to download for Android. I'm going to install it, and it is currently installing. So I'm going to open the application now. There is a privacy policy here that I need to go through, and then I am just going to accept. And then I'm going to allow the app to find the smartwatch. Now on the smartwatch, I'm going to enable Bluetooth as I've done here. So swipe up and then tap on Bluetooth, and then I'm going to go to devices here on the app, and I'm going to add a device. I need to agree. So I need to let the app find the device. So it has found the device here, as you can see. I'm going to tap on the device, and it's going to add the device to the app so I can receive notifications, change settings, etc. So it does show here now that it's connected, and it does need charging, but yeah, it is connected to my the app is connected now to the watch. So I can now check, for example, if I go over to messages, I do need to allow the app to access my messages. So I'm gonna say yes, allow, and it's got access now to my messages. So if I come back here, I can enable notifications. I want SMS messages, I want WhatsApp messages, and that's about it really. Okay, so that is done, and now I can go back. So when I receive a message here on my phone, it will show here on the device itself. Okay, right, so now it's going to synchronize the time, etc. with my watch, and I can also change the dials here. For example, if I want to choose a different dial, I can just tap on the dial and then tap here to download. It's downloading, and it's going to install on the watch. So I'm just going to go back here into the app. The app will give me information here about the steps that I walk, the distance, and also my heart rate, weight, etc. I can also use the sleep function, and I can exercise as well, as you can see here on the app. If I go down to devices again, I can then do a few things, such as, for example, I can find the device. If I lose it, it will vibrate. So it's currently vibrating at the moment, and the light has come up. You can just stop that. and then I can have access to contacts within the application. So I'll need to add contacts to the application, which I don't want to do that at this moment. I can set an alarm. So if I set an alarm here, the watch will vibrate at the time that the alarm is set to. I can also check here the MAC ID for this watch, and I can check the weather as well. So the weather is synchronized to the watch so that I can see what the weather is in the watch. Can access the camera here from my phone, and then I can tap on the watch to take a picture. If I tap here, so it is taking pictures, as you can see. Let's go back. I can design my own logo if I want to. I can receive money. So the watch itself, so if I press here once, I can then change here the settings. I've got languages that I can choose from. So I'm chose English. I've got access to weather, so it lets me know here what the weather looks like. Then I've got a calculator so that I can use. I don't find myself using this small calculator, to be honest. And then I've got scorer. This is for you to track scores in games. You've got period here. If you want to track your periods, you've got call history. In this case, because I haven't used the watch yet with my phone, it's got nothing, but it will show up here once I start using it. I've got access to settings. I've got the Bluetooth switch, bedside lamp, screen time, sound settings, got date, etc. So if let's go back here into settings. I just wanted to check here sound settings. It's at maximum. And then I've got vibration. You can set if it is weak, strong, etc. And then you can set the time as well. So you don't really need the phone to set the time. You can do that manually on the watch. There are some watches out there that don't allow you to actually set the time through the watch itself. You do need the app. Got the flashlight, got contacts, calendar, etc. So these are the settings that we already looked into. As my phone died whilst I was recording this, I just wanted to mention that for you to be able to use the earbuds, you just need to also add the TWS Bluetooth headset to your phone. Once you pair it, you'll be able to receive calls and talk as well, and to listen to music. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please do let me know, and I will see you on the next video. So here I'm just showing how the heart rate monitor works. If you're interested in that, it just basically works just like any other watch out there. I'll be rocking this one for a few days, and I'll come back here with a full review. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.